Hey, y'all. I just wanted to talk a little bit about energetically what's going on right now. So, wherever, whenever, whenever there's a disaster, any sort of disaster, you'll notice that people come together, people practice unity. And energetically, that's what's supposed to happen after a disaster. And we're in the process of this paradigm shift. We're in the process of leveling up. We're in the process of coming to a place where every single person is equally deserving of love, honor, and respect, because they already are. We're just going to be acknowledging that. And that's unity. And the idea of the leveling up is that we stay there. And we carry that energy within ourselves and we radiate that energy outward, and it starts to touch more and more people, and it starts to affect more and more change. And so, yeah, it's scary. And yeah, it affects people on a core level. And yeah, it's a symptom of global warming, which is scary in and of itself. And if we can step into the idea, the possibility that this is helping level up, it becomes easier to help people and to stay out of the fear and to carry that energy, let that energy in of divine love, or whatever you want to call it, unity. And the fear starts to dissolve, because all fear is the illusion of the absence of the divine. And I don't care what label you give the divine. To me, the divine is everything, or it's nothing, or sometimes both. And if the divine is everything, then I am a cell in the body divine. My sippy cup is a cell in the body divine. You are a cell in the body divine. And so if we start to connect with that energy and to send it out, we're not sending out our own energy. It is not draining in any way. And we are helping people soothe. We are helping people find their strength and their empowerment. We're helping people connect with what is true. And that doesn't mean that we don't go out and help. We absolutely go out and help. We find out what needs doing where, and we show up. And if we can do that with some of this realization that I'm talking about internalized, you would be amazed at how much strength we have. And I'm not saying this is any sort of toxic positivity. Is this traumatic? Yes. Are you having a fear response? Yes. And that is perfectly normal. If you would like to shift out of that, this is the way to do it. Are you sad? Are you grieving? Yes, it is a sad event. There is loss. Sadness and grief are absolutely normal. And the way we get through this, whatever this is together, is by practicing unity. And so that's where we start. We support each other energetically, physically, financially, whatever you can do to show up. The way we get through this is together, because human beings are a rhizome. We are all connected. And so we help. And I hope that this helps you. Thanks for listening.